Good morning, everybody, and welcome. I'm doing a little bit, excuse me, of something different today. Tea Tuesday in the car. I got here at the doctor's appointment a little early, so I brought my book that I want to read the recipe from. And the host of Tea Tuesday is a wonderful friend, Patty. She's a very nice lady. She does hauls, she does coloring, she does a lot of everything. And what you do is you take a beverage of your choice, and today my beverage is water because it's going to be in the 80s. I have my tea top down, so it's all open so I can get some good air on me, but there isn't much air moving here in Lewiston, Maine. So anywho, I'm going to read you a recipe here for Tea Tuesday out of The Pioneer Woman, The New Frontier, one of the books I got for $5 that hardly been used. And what I'm going to read is sweet corn soup. Now this sounds really delicious. Here's the recipe here in case you want to take a still. I will also take a picture of this and insert it. It says, excuse me, I'm not taking any water right now because I don't want to have to piddle in my doctor's appointment. What? It's street corn soup. It makes 8 servings, a hearty Tex-Mox corn chowder. When cold weather or warm, the soup is perfect every day. The texture of the soup is delightful, and the fixins make it extra fun. So, you know, a lot of us have extra corn when we're having barbecues and stuff. Hey, why not save out some corn and make this soup? This is a thick but not too thick, spicy but not too spicy, and creamy but not too creamy corn soup. That's as great for a weekend dinner as it is for a weekend gathering with good friends. Lay out the soup and fixins and let everyone serve themselves. It's a fun, fabulous soup. You want to heat a grill pan over medium-high heat. Rub the corn with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and grill it. And now it's grilling time. So how good is this? Turning occasionally until starting to blacken, about 7 minutes. In a Dutch oven, heat the remainder 2 tablespoons of olive oil and butter over medium heat. Add the onions, jalapeño, poblano, garlic, oregano, chili powder, cumin, salt, and black pepper. Yum! Remove the corn and let it cool slightly. Then use a sharp knife to shave the corn kernels off the corn. I like to hold the cobs over a blunt pan to avoid making a mess. That's a good idea. And if you have one of those corn things where you can put the corn in and just slide it down, that works very well too. And then you want to saute until the onions have started to soften, about 5 minutes. Still sounds pretty good, don't y'all think? You need 8 ears of corn, shucked, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 large onion diced, 1 jalapeno diced, 1 poblano pepper seeded and diced. I like poblano peppers, they're really yummy. 5 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/3 cup of mezcal or tequila or vegetable stock. I'd be using vegetable stock. We wouldn't have any mezcal or tequila in the house. 4 cups, 1 cup of vegetable stock, juice of 1 lime, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, a 1/2 cup of grated pepper jack cheese. Oh, I love pepper jack cheese. How many of all do you like pepper jack cheese? Do you like buying it in the slice, or do you like buying it shredded up? I like it both ways, actually. Fixins. You need cheese crumbled, sour cream, fresh jalapeno slices, lime wedges, and cilantro leaves. So yummy. Now we're going to go over to the second page. Again, here it is right here if you want to take a still. I hope I'm in frame. It's kind of hard in the car. And then you want to add the corn and cook for 3 minutes more, stirring occasionally. Then you want to turn off the heat, then add mezcal, tequila, or a vegetable stock of your choice. Add the vegetable stock again, because it's 2 times. Turn on the heat and bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes. Use an immersion blender to partially puree the soup. 8 to 10 pulses. You don't want to break up all the corn. Or if you have a potato masher, that would work as well. I use mine a lot for that. I'm sorry, I'm very dry this morning. Add the lime juice and stir. Then you want to add your cream. Add and stir, let it heat up for 5 more minutes. Finally, add the pepper jack and stir until it's melted. Serve with crumbled cheese, sour cream, jalapeno slices, lime wedges, and cilantro. And then it says crazy corn. Street corn is corn on the cob, grilled over an open flame until blackened, then slather in a mix of mayonnaise. Yes, that's real big in Mexico. How many of you like yours that way? Believe it or not, I've had a bite of one, and it's not too bad. Mexican crema, lime, cheese, chili powder, and plenty of salt. I like salt, but salt doesn't like me, especially in hot heat. It's also known as crazy corn for a very good reason. The authentic stuff really is crazy good. Unforgettable, actually. Well, I hope you like this recipe, and I'll have everything down in the description box as well as the recipe. Have a great day. I've got a half an hour before my appointment, so I'll get back to you later in the day. Have a nice one, everybody. Bye now.